How to save a view once WhatsApp photos and videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So WhatsApp View Once feature is designed to enhance privacy by allowing photos and videos to be viewed only once. By default, WhatsApp doesn't provide a built-in option to save or capture View Once content. However, there are a few consideration and potential workarounds depending on your define and the latest app updates. So you need to know that the purpose of view once is in order to ensure the sender's media isn't stored or shared without your consent. WhatsApp explicitly discourages action to bypass these features. So to save view once media, you can easily launch WhatsApp and then tap on the particular chat where you have got view once, and you need to try screenshotting or screen recording that particular video or photo, but in most of the cases, WhatsApp doesn't allow us to do due to the privacy restrictions of WhatsApp. The next step you can easily follow is simply you can check media in device cache. Sometimes view once media is temporarily stored in the app cache folder until it is viewed. You might retrieve it by exploring your device file manager. For that, you have to simply launch Files application or File Manager. Navigate to internal storage at bottom left. Now head towards Android option and then check for WhatsApp or simply media, and then you have to look for WhatsApp. You can easily look for .view once or temporarily files in the cache folder, and you may find view once WhatsApp photo and video. Lastly, you can use third-party application, but be cautious with third-party apps or modes claiming to save you once media. This can compromise your privacy and violate WhatsApp term of service. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.